Hello and welcome to High Caliber TV, your source for figure and model updates Wednesdays and Fridays. So today on Figure Friday I'm going to be doing a really quick unboxing. This is Bravo 6's Round the Corner set number 3, and he's done a couple of other pairs in this series. They're really great, all USMC, Vietnam. Yeah, so let's get right into it. This kit I've wanted for a little while now, and so when High Caliber Miniatures got their inventory in, I decided to get a set for myself, build up a little vignette that I'm going to be doing videos on in the coming weeks. So if you've ever made Bravo 6 stuff, you know his methodology behind how he breaks down the components. And as you can see, this one's no different. You get the main component, which is usually torso, legs. But the really great thing that I appreciate about his stuff is all the really complicated stuff, like the bandolier here, ammunition, pouches, stuff, are molded into the figure, so you get that really nice hang in there. You don't have to use any T-Nax or anything like that to melt the components into place. Yeah, really fantastic. The other thing about this process that I really appreciate is how sort of dead simple the cleanup is, if there is any. I would scrub these guys up with an old toothbrush probably and then get straight into priming. But yeah, you've also got the casting block, which is on the perfect place under the feet. It's something you'll never see in the finished product anyway. But the other thing is, some people I've seen use these casting blocks as painting grips, so you can hold on to this while you're painting if that's what you're into. But yeah, really solid casting, fantastic detail. Let's move on to the rest of the components. And in this kit, there's quite a few. You get a whole bag of this stuff here. I'm just going to go over a couple of them, because a lot of it's sort of standard Vietnam fare. The really nice stuff here, things like the M16 with the hands molded on, great trigger discipline there, which is nice. And the thing I really like about the way his casting blocks are set up on the weapons especially is it's straight, it's flush. There's no warping in transit, no warping in, just over time, which can happen with resin components. But also the front sight post is still intact, and the barrel is still intact, which is great, thanks to this little guy right here. And I've been building Bravo 6 for years now, and I haven't really ever come across that. Used to, with things like the Hobby Fan kits, you'd have to replace them with DML M16s, even from way back at the receiver. You'd just have to go from like the furniture up, and but not with these guys. So yeah, that's really nice. A couple of other things. Let's see if I can make this guy focus. Yeah, really great heads. They've already got all the chin straps and stuff set up for accepting the helmet. Yeah. The other really great thing is the cuts that he makes on these. If you do it right and you just clip it off, use an X-Acto knife to file it back down to the bare component, it'll fit flush right into the shirt collar. So yeah, that is another really great thing about Bravo 6 stuff. But yeah, guys, that's Round the Corner set number 3. That was a quick unboxing from High Caliber TV. Check us out at highcaliberminiatures.com. Links in the description below. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I usually post most of my in-progress stuff on things like this on Instagram, and then sort of port them over when I can to Facebook. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.